Hey there. So your workout is 3 rounds. So when you get to the end of this workout, you're gonna watch this video 2 more times. Okay, so 10 of each of these exercises. You're gonna start out with an ITY. Okay, actually this is 5 of this exercise. It ends up to be 15 reps. So it's I, out to a T, and then a Y. That's 1 rep. Do 5 of those. I, T, Y. There's 2. Stay in the plank. There's 3. I, T. There's 4. Y. All right, now adjust your handles so they're lower. This is a hamstring curl. Hook your thumbs in the straps, lean back, heels in, hands out to your side, or you can place your elbows into the ground, prop yourself up, curl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make your handles shorter. Next one is a squat jump. Basic squat into a jump using the handles to get a little higher. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chest fly. Turn yourself around. Nice and wide. Close it in. There's 5, 6, 7. Stay in the plank. 8, 9, and 10. Next one is a row to a Superman. Go off into an angle here. So you're gonna row, and then roll out to a Superman. Ooh. Ooh. Tough one. Row. There's 2. There's 5. 6. 8. 9. It's the last one. Oh, whew. Enjoy that. Okay, next one is the pike. Lower the handles down a little bit. Both feet go in. Flip the handles over. Plank and pike. Here's 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last one's called a speed skater. Side lunge. Raise your handles just a little bit. Your foot goes in both of the handles. All right. Down. 4, 5, 6, 7. Make it a little harder. 8, 9, 10. Other side. Careful how you get out of them. Make the handles even so you get both feet into the stirrups. One, two, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's round 1.